You ain't never heard no black man bust his ear. Bust his ear.
You better take off your glasses on.
Don't tell me how to be fat nigga got in. Don't tell me that shit. You gonna be out of this fat nigga got in.
That is Uncle Wet. This is Uncle Wet. This is the building. Yeah, nigga, you talking about it? Oh, what it is? New music here, nigga.
Oh, this, take your hand down.
We ain't playing that bitch.
That's what you need when the party going down, party. Stop my phone. Stop my
This man, she came in going crazy, man.
I've been over here.
Hey, that's on their jam now, man. Tell me.
Can you hold it?
Don't you man this here now.
Run low. I'm like,
Hey,
Definitely.
redneck.
you ain't never heard no black man bust his ear.
Hell nah, man.
Come on, man.
Y'all get in there,
He
man.
ain't gonna hurt you
Look
right
behind
now.
you, Crib. Look behind you now. Them 10, 18s now.
Them 10-18s, real.
Can you hear me, bro? Oh, you can hear me. God damn, man.
He ain't gonna hear you when he turns up, though.
Nobody in 3 minutes. Hello. Yeah, that's my shit right there.
Let me break my shit. I heard this bitch at Boogie out there, but this bitch at hot. Let me break my shit. I heard this bitch at Boogie out there.
That motherfucker doing it.
It is like.
Shit.
This bitch here ain't playing, bro.
Standing there, man. I just saw that truck for you and even park that bitch off the track. I just sit up in that phone there.
Korea? Korea.
Korea.
DJ keep it running and the ball keep
That motherfucker, that warming, boy. Warming, boy. Hell no. Hey,
Whoever watching this, that boy got it. That boy got it.
you want a good insurance claim?
John, you got
Motherfucking bunker and make that shit all fall down. All those type of trucks.
John.
John, that thing there.
I appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. About 30,000.
I'm dead every day, man.
You like it, man?
You the real gorilla.
I appreciate it, man.
That's all right.
Dead every day. Out on their ass.
Welcome to new member.
Yeah, hold it down, man. What that is? That down south sound? Yeah, that gorilla.
That sounds good, man.
Man, hold it down for real tough, man. Yeah.
you get?